Do you want to be a father who admonishes his sons instead of supporting him in tough times? Kavya, don't interfere in between son and dad. I'm not interfering. I'm just fought with my dad. And if required, I'll fight with the whole world for my husband. Even if the person harming him is his own father. Oh. I agree that being a good politician, it's equally important to be a good human being, and your son is. He sees others' pain and helps them. He did the same for Naina also. But if Naina took the advantage of his goodness, then isn't Adi's fault? He's a good man. Kavya? You are a good at arguments, but you won't be sitting in the judge chairs in court, and you won't be asking to provide the character certificate for Adi. If he is labelled as a rapist once, then everything will be destroyed. He won't be even get rid of all of this. Dad, forget about being an MLA. Oh, destiny snatched away one son, and the second one ruined his future in his own hand. No, Raju, no, don't lose heart. Huh? Adi, come back. Oh. Adi? Where are you, beta? Oh, sitting here alone? Don't cry. Why are you sitting here, son? Tell me, beta. He was angry, just angry. You know that. Giri goes overboard when angry. Aren't you tired of making up excuses for him? When angry, he'll only speak what he thinks. I'm repeatedly telling him what happened, but isn't he willing to listen? I'm repeatedly telling him what happened, and he isn't even willing to listen. He already believes that I'm guilty. He doesn't want to hear only. He's worried about your future, son. He's just worried about himself, mom. Only himself. Giriraj Pradhan's son should become MLA. Giriraj Pradhan's legacy never end. That's all. He cared about me. If he could care about me, he would understand what I think. My feelings he will understand. Breaking down like this will stop everything. I've always seen you strong. Never weak. The world might be calling me a rapist. I don't care, but my dad, he thinks that I can do this. Will I untrap a girl and force myself on her? He thinks that I'm such a lowly person. No, beta, he doesn't think like this. Why do you feel so? If he doesn't think so, then let him tell me that once. He's my father, mom. He can say it once that, son, I trust you, you couldn't do any such thing. He could have said that once, but if he can't, then let's end this relationship. Dad, the relationship between the father and son will never break down. You can fight as much as you want, but Adi always be your son. Do you know, when I met Adi for the first time, he used to hate politics. He used to be angry with you.
जो आप बोलते
he
थे
would
ना, हमेशा उसका
always do opposite what you said.
वो प्यार
He
था
always,
उसका आपके।
he was, it was love for you.
इसलिए तो उम्मी
That's
भैया के
why
जाने के
after
बाद उसने
Omi's death,
आपके
he
सपनों को
adopted
अपना
your
बनाया।
dreams
और कभी भी ये नहीं
and never
जताया
tried to impress that.
शायद
Maybe
वो ये कभी
he
चाहता
never
ही नहीं
wanted it.
को उसकी जरूरत थी।
When you needed him, Dad,
तब वो आपका
he
सबसे
became
बड़ा
your
सहारा
biggest
बना
support.
था। और आज उसे
And
आपकी
today,
जरूरत है।
he needs you.
तो क्या आप उसे सहारा
Won't you
नहीं
support him?
देंगे? पापा जी जैसे तब आप
Dad,
बोले थे
just
ना,
like
वो
how
टूट रहा
you
है।
broke, then he supported you. If you don't support him, then who will?
पापा जी ये इल्जाम
Dad,
सिर्फ आदि पे
this
नहीं
isn't
लगा।
just an accusation to
उसके
Adi.
परवरिश,
It's a
उसके
question of
संस्कारों
being
पे सवाल
raised
उठा।
on his upbringing and values.
पापा जी वो लड़का
Dad,
जिसने
the
आज
boy who
तक
has
औरतों
always
की इज्जत
respected
की,
women,
उनके हक के
someone
लिए
who
लड़ा।
has fought for those all the things, for
आत्मसम्मान को कितनी
think
ठेस पहुंच रही होगी
how
आपकी सोच।
badly he had hurt and his self-respect had hurt.
पापा जी इधर आइए।
Come here, Daddy.
Please.
See, please.
पापा जी आज आदि को
Today
मिनिस्टर
Adi
गिरिराज
doesn't
प्रधान
need
की
Minister Giriraj Pradhan.
अपने पापा
He
की
needs his
जरूरत है।
dad.
आप भले उसके
Even
लिए
if you
लड़ ना
can't
पाए,
fight for him,
please
but
उसके
at least
साथ
please
खड़े
stand with him.
रहिए। वरना
Or else
आप इस बेटे को भी
you will
हमेशा के
lose
लिए
this son forever too. No, Kavya beta.
शायद
Maybe
आपके और हमारे
everything
बीच
isn't
सब
fine
कुछ ना हो।
between us.
शायद आप लोग हमें
Maybe
कभी
you
माफ
will
नहीं
never
कर पाए,
forgive
पर
me,
हमें
but
फर्क नहीं
it
पड़ता।
doesn't matter to me.
हमारे लिए बस
But
इतना
it's
काफी है
enough for me that
कि आदि के माँ बाप
Adi's
उसके
parents
साथ
are with him.
उन्होंने दे
Or should I give
देने
it
के लिए
down yourself? Hmm. Wow. You are very brave.
डर नहीं लगा
Weren't you afraid
जिसके लिए तुम्हें
that one for whom you were preparing for all this can poison the water too? No.
बड़ी अम्मा इतने वक्त
Grandma, I have understood you enough to know that you are not one to pull such tricks at home. You are among those who pay others to falsely accuse your own grandson to rape for as an allegation. You love acting, huh? You don't. Why don't you start drama company? Actually, the first hearing of the court is just 2 days before the elections. In 2 days, how will Adi clear his name? Oh, so your husband won't be able to win MLA's election. Grandma, you're worried about the election more than the chief minister. Why don't you contest election yourself? Oh, you can watch over the elections. I will watch over Adi's victory. Oh, Kavya, lawyer is on the way. So, can you join us? Of course, I'll join you.
हमारी बेगुनाही साबित
I have
करनी
to
है
prove your
हम
innocence.
साथ कैसे नहीं होंगे
How can I be? How I can't be there? I'm coming.
चलो
Let's go.
ये चुतिया
This rat will foil my ploy. What Vakil is about to say. Now, grandma, why are you here? Oh, now she will do something, huh? We have to get her out. Badi Amma,
आप परेशान क्यों हो रही हैं?
why are you worrying
ये
over
सब
this?
ना,
Look,
ये हम
we
संभाल
will manage all
लेंगे,
this,
आपका
huh?
time हो रहा है तो
It's time for you to go for prayer. Come, wait. Wait, I'll pray later.
ईश्वर हमें माफ करेगा।
God will forgive me. Grandma, what can be greater than praying for your grandson?
आदि
Adi will be also here.
आप चाहिए हम संभाल लेंगे।
Yes, please go, I'll manage.
आइए हम
Come, I'll see you off. Come on. Sattu, take care of her. Yeah. Definitely.
हाँ वकील साहब।
Yes, lawyer.
उन लोगों ने केस
Sir,
फाइल कर
they
दिया।
have filed the
और
case.
केस की
And the
पहली
first
तारीख
hearing is on next
अगले मंगलवार
Tuesday.
को। चुनाव से